Hi, Andrew here with SewLakeTahoe. Now, a lot of these videos, you may feel, if you're watching them all, are repetitive, but I'm trying to just hit different angles of the same question. And this one's all about finding the best fit. Now, all the other videos are going to be saying the same things, but I'm just going to try to say it just a little bit of a different perspective so you can make the best decision for you or someone in your family. I do make the 3 sizes of masks, and they gradually increase by 1 inch per size. So the medium, large, and extra large, see if I can do that, all go up by 1 inch as they go across. So when trying to decide if you're in between, should I get a medium or a large or extra large, body frame is my first answer always, whatever you think is best. Number 2 answer is, please try my toilet paper fitting test. I know that sounds weird, but it's the best way I could think of for something that you have in your home that you could try to put on and see which mask will fit for you. And finally, my answer for the best, most comfortable fit is you want it larger than smaller for comfortability. So if you're trying to decide after you do the toilet paper test, after you do these things, well, it's kind of landing right here. I don't know if that is that covered enough or all those things. It will probably be fine. But if you're wonky in between and think jumping up might be better, I would do that because you're going to have it last longer and you're going to be happier using it if it fits you better. So those are my repetitive answers. I personally can wear both the large and the extra large size mask. The large size mask fits me just fine, but I find that the extra large mask has a better coverage. It fits me better, and I feel like I can breathe better because it has more space around me. And because of the adjustable straps, I'm still getting that nice secure fit around my nose, head, and because of the custom nose bridge, it's full face protection. So if you do have any more specific questions or something that is specific for you or someone in your family member, please let me know. When we jump into the next section about choosing your straps and all that stuff, I'll talk a little bit more about sizing and fitting because I've tried to create straps that fit different people's preferences as well. So thanks again, and please let me know if you have any questions at all. I want to make sure that this mask system works the best for you.